Got another day off here. Kind of drove a little further than I thought I was, about an hour away. But I got a new net, and we'll see how this goes. Should be a trout stream back here. Brown trout seems like what people caught. Ooh. I like how that looks. A little shallow here. I'm gonna go find a spot that I think will be fortuitous and start recording again. Oh yeah, they're in here. I just seen them dart off. I went upstream. Let's see what we can do here. Haven't caught a brown in a couple weeks. Creep up in here nice and easy. See if I can't make something dart out here. I don't know if this is gonna be all that easy. And there's thorns everywhere. It's all thorns back here. I could do without that. I must be losing my touch. I missed this hole right here. Oh, come on. I'm doing terrible here. There we go. Creep up here a little bit. See if we can't get into something. Holy cow. I wonder if that picked that up. Sure casts farther though. Oh man, my allergies are killing me. All right, put something smaller on. See if this don't give me some luck here. No gold. Panther Martin. All right. Oh boy, off to a rocky start. See if can't have some luck right here. I haven't blown the spot up yet. All right, might be a bad idea. I'm gonna try and thread the needle here. Oh, I made it. Dang fly in my face. Whenever I get in the right spot, it does one of those. Hey, come on, give me a break. What the hell is going on today? Trying to get me, someone's upstairs trying to get me frustrated or something, put me to the test. Oh, there we go. Oh. Oh, oh. Oh, let's go. That's what I needed. Woo. Woohoo! Turning my luck around today. This poor guy. Oh, he went through the net. What the heck? There we go. Nice little brown. Oh, man, I'm just doing terrible. Bye-bye. It is tough out here sometimes. All right. I think I've straightened it out after that embarrassment. See if we can't get out of something else. Oh, I got all the way out here. I'm really just not feeling it. Just having a bad time here. But I don't want to miss an opportunity, you know. Can't believe he fit through that net. That's crazy. My allergies ain't helping. Start getting frustrated when I get all sneezy, you know. Oh, there we go. Come on, buddy. Okay. I'm gonna learn from my mistake. Get my butt up on this rock. He's pretty though. There we go. All right. Little brown. Here he goes. He's getting some. Here he goes. Is thing closed up? No, you're not ready yet, friend. Here he's getting it. There he goes. There he goes. He'll make it. Let's go. Okay. I feel better. That would have upset me if he wouldn't have made it. But he was stuck, so I couldn't get it off, and I was worried him out getting him off. All right. It's gonna be a good day. Mosquito. Ugh. Mosquito right in my face. What is this fly? I'm gonna lose my mind here if this fly does not freaking leave. Oh, picked him out of there. Wow, I can't believe that. See him strike and everything. He was sitting under that tree. He's a good looker. Alright, where can I unhook him though? We'll go right here. Oh, oh, and he's got out, went through the net, swam away. Fuck. Get out of here. Freaking mosquitoes in my face. What do we got here? I finally killed that damn fly. Fuck that thing. There's another one. Oh, I got it out. Just got this little brown on. Oh, calm down. Bye-bye. Right at the end here. I was kind of beelining for the exit. Just dying out here. My allergies and the bugs and... But I'm happy to have caught him. Oh. You know what that is? That's the cue to go home.